Hey, can I tell you something? A lot of people say, one day I will be successful. One day I will change. One day. But English grammar says, no, today we learn. Present simple, present continuous, and secretly. We learn why your life is stuck. Part 1. Present simple. Present simple is for habits. Facts, repeated actions. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. She studies every day. He works hard. Now listen carefully. We use present simple for things we do consistently, not once, not when motivated, not when the moon is beautiful, consistently. That means success grammar is, I practice daily, I improve slowly, I continue always, not, I try sometimes. Part 2. Present continuous. Now, present continuous. Slash is slash, are plus verbing, used for actions happening now. Examples, I am studying now. She is working right now. They are watching YouTube. Yes, maybe you are watching YouTube now. Hopefully this one. Now here's the problem. Many people live only in present continuous. I am trying today. I am working this week. I am motivated right now. But next week? Gone. Finished. Disappeared like free Wi-Fi. Part 3. Real life lesson. If you only use present continuous in life, you depend on feelings. I'm excited. I am ready. I am inspired. Nice. But winners use present simple. I wake up early, I study daily, I exercise regularly, I keep promises, feelings change, habits stay. Part 4. Funny self-conversation. Me talking to myself. Me 1. I am starting tomorrow. Me 2. You said that yesterday. Me 1. I am serious now. Me 2. You were serious last Monday too. Me 1. I need motivation. Me 2. No. You need grammar. Part 5. Practice together. Choose the correct sentence. Every day I blank English. A. Study. B. I'm studying answer. E. Study. Because it is habit. Right now I blank this video. A. Watch B. Am watching B. Am watching because now equals present continuous. Successful people blank excuses. A. Make B are making. Actually, some do. But correct grammar. Habit equals make part 6. Final message. So remember, use present continuous for now. I am learning. Use present simple for growth. I learn every day. One gives you a moment, one changes your future. So stop saying, I will start someday. Say, I start now. I continue daily. That is correct grammar. And correct life. Ending CTA. If you want more English lessons with life messages, subscribe now. Because I upload weekly. See? Present simple.